Welcome to Ghada Atef's channel, your ultimate training ground for conquering Red Hat Enterprise Linux.
Whether you're just starting with RHCSA or prepping for RHCE, I'm here to be your guide.
Forget dry lectures and cryptic commands. Ghada breaks down RHEL like a master chef, serving up. Dive deep into installation, system administration, networking, security, scripting, containers, Ansible, and more. Learn by doing, not just watching. Master RHEL with practical scenarios and exercises. Never get lost again. Clear, concise guidance leads you every step of the way. Get the latest on RHEL releases, features, and best practices. Be a Linux and open source champion.
Don't get left behind in the tech jungle.
Subscribe now and unleash your RHEL mastery with Ghada. Unleash your career potential. Unleash your inner tech hero.